This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious hot dipping sauce for chicken wings. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of your favorite hot sauce, like Frank's Red Hot, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Also, have 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder on hand. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic sauce that's easy to prepare and perfect for any wing night. Now, let's start building that amazing flavor. Begin by melting 1/4 cup of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over low heat. Once melted, carefully pour in the 1/2 cup of hot sauce. Stir these 2 ingredients together until they are well combined. Next, add the 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, mixing everything until smooth. This creates the rich, tangy base for your dipping sauce. With your base mixed, it's time to bring the heat. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat and bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Make sure not to boil it vigorously. Stir continuously for about 5 minutes. This simmering process allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully and helps the sauce thicken slightly. Keep an eye on it to prevent scorching, ensuring a smooth and consistent texture. Your hot dipping sauce is almost ready. Once it has simmered and thickened to your liking, remove the saucepan from the heat. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if you feel it needs a little more tang or heat. Let the sauce cool for just a few minutes. It will thicken a bit more as it cools. Serve this warm, delicious sauce alongside your crispy chicken wings for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.